Hey guys, it's Tory. I just wanted to hop on, do a quick video to help all my do-it-yourself crafters and Amazon shoppers save some money during Amazon Prime days. I've been continuously adding some amazing crafting deals over on my Amazon storefront inside a folder that I'm calling Prime Crafting Deals. It's basically your one-stop shop for everything crafty and on sale right now. Think of it like your personal curated cart. I'll keep updating it for you throughout the sale so you don't have to waste your time scrolling around looking for deals. Just click shop save. I'll drop the link to my Prime Deals folder below so you can check it out. But for now, let's take a look at some of my favorite deals available today, July 9th. And remember, Prime Day runs through July 11th. So let's jump in and save big. So let me show you some of the ones that really stood out to me. This Rotary cutter is 41% off. That is such a steal. They have adorable colors. This is $9.99 and normally it's $16.98. Love it. Totally think this would be a great steal. So if you're looking for a printer that you can convert into sublimation, they have this Epson EcoTank 4800. It is 33% off, and I know that is such a good deal. Normally, it's $299, and right now it's $199.99. That is such a steal. They also have a lot of heat presses that have really good sales. So this heat press is 20% off. Normally, it's $98, and right now it has a Prime Day deal, $78.39. This is such a steal as well. If you are looking for an auto heat press machine, this is one of the newer models that HTV Ront has. 20% off. Normally $349.99. Right now $279.99, and it comes in daisy white or lavender purple. Here's another heat press. That's 20% off. Normally $71.99. Right now, only $57.58. Here's the Cricut mug press, plus 12 blank mugs that are 12 ounces each, 31% off. Normally $159. Right now, $109. That is an amazing deal. Now's the perfect time to stock up on your HTV as well. So there's the Cricut Value Iron-On Rainbow Sampler, 34% off. Normally $32.99, and you get 10 rolls for only $21.93. This one is an amazing deal. The Cricut Brayer is 50% off. Normally $17.99. Right now only $8.99. I totally love my Brayer. It's really nice. It's one of those things that you don't know that you need until you get it. I'm so serious. I love that feeling of just applying the HTV or the vinyl or whatever material you're working with and just rolling over it. It's really nice how it just adheres to the mat, gets the wrinkles out. So nice. Totally recommend. You'll love it if you get it and you'll be like, oh, I should have had this before. And it's 50% off. That is a good deal. This one is the Cricut Joy Machine. If you want to start small and get into crafting, this one's 23% off. And normally $129, only $99, which this is even perfect for even if you are a total crafter. This is nice because it's portable and it's one of those things that you can take with you when you're traveling and you just want to still craft. So this is another good deal. Here is the Cricut Easy Press Mini. And Cricut is having some really good sales. If you've noticed, I've been doing a lot of Cricut. They are really going all out on their sales, so that is super nice. So the Cricut Easy Press Mini is normally $61.99, 37% off, so it's only $39. That is definitely a great steal as well. So if you're interested in getting into the Cameo, I just bought my first Cameo, which I didn't get mine on sale. I wish I had. But this Cameo 4 Plus 15-inch is 18% off. Normally $229.99. Right now it's $188.99, so that is a super good deal as well. Here is the Gotcha Fix Hat Heat Press. I just did a review on this. I absolutely recommend this hat press. I love it. It was so easy to use. So if you are interested, I have a video on my playlist. Gotcha Fix Hat Heat Press is 20% off. Right now it's $159.99. So with 20%, it's $127.99. But here's the kicker. You also get to double stack it and use a 30% off code, which is creations, and that's my code giving to you, so you can stack that and get an additional 30% off the 20% off with the code creations. And I have a video as well on my playlist, and in that description you can see the code there as well. That is an awesome deal, and I honestly recommend that. I really enjoyed using that. It was super easy, and I plan to make more videos and make more hats. It was so easy, guys, so easy. So if you guys are like me and need to keep your craft area organized, this is a really good deal as well. It's an 8-cube storage organizer, 35% off. Normally $129.99, and right now $84.99. So why not get organized right now? That's a good deal. If you wanted to get into laser, Creality Falcon's A1 laser, which is like a beginner laser, is also 22% off. Normally $599. Right now only $466. I have that, so I have a bunch of videos on that. I really like it. It's easy, it's beginner friendly. So if you're looking for a laser, I definitely recommend that one. Right now, Go To Craft has their auto seamless tumbler heat press, 31% off. Normally $259.99. Right now $179.39. That is an amazing steal as well. So here is another good deal. This is a Vevor heat press. I actually have the Vevor heat press, the 15 by 15. I absolutely love it. This is a little bit smaller, but this one is 24% off. Normally $109.99. Right now $84.12. And I can honestly say Vevor is a really good company. They have really good products, and I love my heat press, and I've had it for like 2 years. I've had no problems. Absolutely love it. Another good heat press is Laya Vinyl. This is a 15 by 15 heat press machine, and this is 26% off. It is normally $239.99. Right now only $177.59. So guys, I hope this helps you and gives you some ideas of the great deals on Prime Day. And I will keep updating my Amazon curation list over on my Amazon storefront. So I'll just keep looking for deals, guys. Keep adding them over there so you can do a one-stop shop. If there's something that you're really looking for and you want me to help you find it, comment in my video and I will keep an eye out for that, guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy shopping, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.